Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see subjects under concurrent list. तो पहला है criminal law including all matters included in Indian Penal Code, criminal procedure including all matters including the code of the criminal procedure, preventive detention for reasons connected with the security of state, the maintenance of public order or the maintenance of supplies and service essential to community, removal from one state to another state of prisoners and accused persons, marriage and divorce, infants and minors, adoptions, wills, intestacy and succession, joint family and partition, transfer of property other than agricultural land, registration of deeds and documents, contracts, actionable wrongs, bankruptcy and insolvency, trust and trustees, administrator general and official trustees, administration of justice, constitution and organization of all courts except the Supreme Court and the High Court. Evidence and oaths, recognition of laws, public acts and records and judicial proceedings, civil procedure including all matters included in the code of the civil procedure, contempt of court but not including contempt of Supreme Court, vagrancy, nomadic and migratory tribes, lunacy एंड मेंटल डिफिशिएंसी. मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए वैग्रेंसी एंड लूनेसी का मतलब क्या होता है. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ क्रूएल्टी टू एनिमल्स, फॉरेस्ट, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स, अडल्ट्रेशन ऑफ फूड स्टफ्स एंड अदर गुड्स, ड्रग्स एंड पॉइजन्स, इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल प्लानिंग, पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल एंड फैमिली प्लानिंग, कमर्शियल एंड इंडस्ट्रियल मोनोपोलीज, कंबाइंस एंड ट्रस्ट, ट्रेड यूनियंस, इंडस्ट्रियल एंड लेबर डिस्प्यूट्स, सोशल सिक्योरिटी एंड सोशल इंश्योरेंस, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, वेलफेयर ऑफ लेबर इंक्लूडिंग कंडीशन ऑफ वर्क, प्रोविडेंट फंड, एम्प्लॉयर्स liabilities, workmen's compensation, invalidity and old age pensions and maternity benefits, education including technical education, medical education and universities, legal, medical and other professions, reliefs and rehabilitation of persons, charitable institutions, religious endowments and religious institutions, infectious or contagious disease or pest affecting men's animal or plant, vital statistics including registration of births and deaths, ports other than major ports, shipping and navigation on inland waterways, trade and commerce in and the production, supply and distribution of foodstuffs including edible oil seeds and oils, cattle fodder, raw cotton and cotton seeds and raw jute, weights and measures except establishment of standards, price control, mechanically propelled vehicle including the principles on which taxes on such vehicles are to be levied, factories, boilers, electricity, newspaper, books and printing presses, archaeological sites and remains other than those of national importance, evacue property including agricultural land, acquisition, requisition of property, recovery in state of claims in respect of taxes and other public demands, stamp duties other than duties or fees collected by means of judicial system but not including rates of stamp duty. बाकी की ये 3 और पॉइंट है, आप देख सकते हैं वीडियो में. थैंक यू, पॉज करके देख लीजिए.